All right, scrappers, welcome to Microwave 101. That's right, we're gonna need a refresher course on tearing apart microwaves. Just want to show you it's 5/17 on Friday, December 1st. And we're gonna see how long it takes us to strip down this microwave. First thing that I usually like to do is liberate the cord and the cord end. Throw that in there. I got a bucket for cord ends. I think it's that one right there. Might not be. It sounded awfully empty. Okay, then we got those security screws. I always keep the security screw thing for these microwaves right there. So we just change that out quick. Wow, they got all of them are security screws, it looks like. At least 4 of them are. Yeah, and the side ones aren't. All right, so we're done with that. Put this in here. Oh, look at that. She doesn't like to be in there. So we got some old screws there. And let's see, should we take the other side out too? What the heck? And what I usually do is, some guys don't even take this lid off. Usually it comes right off like that. And I put it down and step on it with my fat butt. And then we throw that into our next shred run. And then we got to see this microwave, the door is broken. That's why I got rid of it. Hey, let's see if we can get that board. It's usually got a little transformer on it. All right, so come on, baby, participate. And take these 2 screws out that hold that fan in. Well, come on. Fan comes out kind of like that. It looks like a transformer, and just by looking at the label on it, I got a funny feeling it's just all aluminum. Just all aluminum. But we can see, and we'll take her out anyways. Really? Wow, they got that transformer in there. All right, that should be liberated out of there. Cut the wires off the capacitor here. Cut them off the transformer. Come on. These two wires here, they go back in there to that little motor that turns the plate in there. Transformer coming out. There she is. All right. Now that door closed. The latch is kind of suckered up on, flunkered. I don't know if that will come out of there now or not. Boy, there ain't much for a transformer on that board. Well, we'll throw it in the low-grade boards. I usually don't take the magnetrons out, just because I find they're a pain in the butt to take apart, and I already got enough magnets. So this thing has to be taken off. Now I've seen JC over at Scrap-It-JC channel. Check him out if you haven't seen his channel. He just takes an axe and hits this thing, and I just kind of cut those and pull this back. Get rid of that screw. Take that screw out. Take that screw out. And there you go. She's kind of like liberated. We'll see if we can get this board out of here easy. Really? Oh, there's a screw in the middle of it. Okay, that came out of there. All right, low-grade board, junk. Unless you want to stick the junk in here, and you can fill this up with all kinds of good stuff. Actually, the time is now 5:25. Okay, scrappers, that does it. From 5:17 to 5:25. So what is that? 7 minutes, 8 minutes? And transformer. Let's take a look at the transformer. That one's aluminum. That's an aluminum one. How about this one here? Can I get in here and reach that to see if it's copper? Oh boy. Sometimes they're half copper and half aluminum, but this one I'm not sure. Wow, looks like we got copper here. Where's a file? Nah, it's aluminum. She's aluminum. She's junk. All right, thank you for sticking with me this long, and be sure to tell all your friends about the Scrap-Meister, and Christmas is coming. Check out our merch store at scrap-meister.com. Got a lot of cool shirts in there for scrappers, and we have them with the Scrap-Meister brand on them or without, so check them out. They make great Christmas gifts. I got a really cool one about that. You're not a junk collector, you deal in commodities. So yeah, check them out. So anyways, yeah, and be sure that you watch one of the cool videos that's on screen right now.